Okay guys, this box opening video is a bit special for me because I never ever owned an Apple device. Well, actually I've gotten very old PC. Well, it's not PC because it was Apple, but I never used it. I just bought it and then sent it back. Anyway, so let's not talk about this. I never got any mobile Apple device. And today I've got this, the iPhone 6s, and I'm really excited. So that's the box. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with it. I'm not, to be honest, but let's see what's inside. That's the 16 gigs version. So how to open it without damaging it? Let's try it from here. Yes. Of course it's closed, like it will survive nuclear war, and then in 400 years someone will be, there's an old iPhone unopened, let's open it. So I guess I'm going to need my special knife too. There it is. Sharp. So let's start it from here, without cutting my fingers, of course. Yes, I think that's all we need. Always secure your knife after use. And let's proceed. That was optimistic. Come on! I'm not sure why people are doing this. Yes. Get in there. A few years ago I watched a video for, I think it was iPhone 5 or even iPhone 4 box opening, and the guy opened the box and dropped the iPhone. So let's not make this error again. Yes! Whew. That's the iPhone 6s. That's the space gray. I'm not sure what space gray is. So apparently it's this color. I would just call it silver or gray, but anyway, it's an Apple product, so it's a special. It cannot just be gray, it has to be space gray. So that's the iPhone itself. Of course you can expect lots and lots of comparison videos. We'll compare it with Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, even with my old Note, which I'm using to just shoot this video. Yeah, interesting times. So what else? We have some menus here. We have the pin for SIM card, Apple stickers, and like simple explanation of which part of phone is doing what. We have the charger. They are still doing the chargers, making the chargers look like this, and I found this really inconvenient because when you need to get it out of the plug, it's hard. Stupid, but probably just me. We have the earplugs. I'm not sure about this. We'll see how this sits in the air and if they're going to fall down every time I'm running, but well, I have Bluetooth headphones, so I'll probably stick to my old ones. We have the USB cable, of course, which is not normal USB. I hope it will survive, because I don't want to spend money for replacing it with a new one, but it's a legit one, so it should be okay. And I think that's it. Yeah, nothing else. So we have the iPhone, earplugs, charger, cable. Let's see what's the length of the cable actually. Is it reasonable for the price I paid for this phone? Not bad. About 1 meter. Could be better, but it's okay. And that will be it for this video. just box opening and content of an iPhone 6s box. I hope you like it. Any suggestions for tests or any specific reviews you would like to see, just put it in the comment section and we'll be more than happy to do them for you. Unless they are do the scratch test. No. Do the hammer test. No. Freeze your iPhone in Coca-Cola. Definitely no. So any test that will provide useful information in terms of user experience, yes. But I'm pretty sure you're not buying an iPhone and then use it to nail. So please be sensible. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.